Kathy, we've got one jam-packed 24 hours in front of us.
You know, the storm wasn't even on the weather map a couple days ago, and now all of a sudden it's like, poof, surprise! It's going to be the tale of two seasons. We're going to feel like spring tomorrow and then back to winter in a huge way within about 12 hours. On Ultimate Doppler, you can see this front moving through, and that's going to come through tomorrow. But ahead of it, a lot of warm air. That's why we could reach records tomorrow. These are the numbers to beat. 60s. Philadelphia's record is 63. We will at least tie that tomorrow. And then we will see our developing storm. A cold front moves through tomorrow afternoon, sets the stage for that colder air. Then this area of low pressure moves offshore, intensifies. It's a real big storm for New York and New England, but we get a significant amount of snow. Let's go hour by hour, and I want to show you what's going to go on. By Wednesday at noon, it is 60 degrees in Philadelphia. Within 12 hours, at about 12 a.m., okay, midnight, tomorrow night, it will almost be here. The snow will be moving into the Poconos, and during the morning rush, Thursday morning, 7 a.m., that is the heart of the storm, the heaviest snow falling, with temperatures in the 20s and 30 in Philadelphia. And by noon, look at that. It's almost clearing the shore, so it's moving in earlier and it's going to move out earlier. The National Weather Service has extended that winter storm watch to really include most of the region except extreme South Jersey and central and southern Delaware. When we look at the snow amounts for Philadelphia alone, most of our models in agreement between 5 and 6 inches of snow just for Philadelphia. So coming up, we're going to talk about the timing of the storm impacts, which will be significant in many locations, and the local snow amounts where you live. We'll go neighborhood by neighborhood. For now, though, we'll send it over to you, and I'm going to get an update on those numbers.
All right, look forward to that awesome story.
On your radar tonight, Ultimate Doppler radar looks mighty busy already, but the real trouble is still headed this way. It could make for a real mess. Meteorologist Kathy Orr has your forecast coming up in a mere 15 seconds.
And how about additional pack powder for the Poconos? Blue Mountain looking pretty good, but it's going to be too warm to be making snow tomorrow. Mother Nature will provide, however, by Thursday morning. Right now in Philadelphia, it's 42. The high today, 51 degrees. The normal high is 52 for this time of year. When we look at the temperatures, we have some cooler air moving in from the north and the east, but other than that, it's all balmy. Washington still sitting at 61, and our temperatures will be warming overnight tonight with a warm front. The warm front is passed. This cold front sweeps through tomorrow afternoon after we reach record warmth. Behind it, colder air that will set the stage for this area of low pressure to move offshore Thursday morning and pull in that moisture, that oceanic moisture, and that is going to fuel this storm. That means some snow and some wind for your Thursday. Let's go hour by hour and show you what's going on here. So Wednesday, breaks in the overcast, temperatures soaring into the 60s, so shorts weather, but get the shovels ready because watch what happens some 12 hours later. By 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., the snow moves in, and by 6 a.m., during your morning rush for Thursday, we are talking heavy snow, possibly falling an inch an hour for a few hours on Thursday, and then by noon, it's out of here. By the afternoon, we'll be cleaning up and the sun will be coming out. So that snow begins between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., the heaviest between 5 and 8 during that morning rush, and it will end right around noon. It will be moving offshore, so it's coming in earlier and it's going to move out earlier. I really tightened up these snow accumulations to give you an idea of what to expect. Between 4 and 8 inches between the Philadelphia suburbs and heading toward the Lehigh Valley, but I made 2-inch increments to give you a better idea. So 6 to 8 to the north and west of Philadelphia into the Lehigh Valley, around 6 in Philadelphia, 4 to 6 in your Jersey suburbs and also northern Delaware, 2 to 4 interior South Jersey, 2 Dover, and then a lesser accumulation South Jersey and Delaware because of the mixing moving in there. These are the storm impacts for your Thursday. Periods of heavy snow, especially during the morning rush. Poor visibility, some slow, hazardous travel. I do think we'll have some delays at the airport because of this, and significant impacts on your morning rush. Just a slow go everywhere. Tonight, look for overnight low temperatures to be rising into the 50s. During the day tomorrow, the record is 63, and I think we will make it to that record in Philadelphia with mostly cloudy skies. So a record day. So we go from records to winter. 7-day forecast, you have your snow and your wind for Thursday. We bottom out temperature-wise Friday, and then Saturday, we're back in the 40s. We have snow melt for your Sunday, Monday, and look at Tuesday. Mostly sunny, 45 degrees.